For today's Bake With Me video, gagawa tayo ng homemade tart shells. Perfect pang negosyo or pang merienda. Tara, let's bake! First, let's sift flour and powdered sugar together para smooth and lump-free ang dough natin. Then mix the dry ingredients with the cold butter until ang texture is like fine crumbs or parang buhangin. After adding eggs and vanilla extract, mix again at low speed until mag-form into a dough. Do not overmix para hindi maging tough ang tart shells natin. Once chilled, weigh natin ang dough for about 13 grams each. Then gently press evenly into the mold para maging maganda ang shape once baked. Break natin ang dough with a fork para hindi mag-puff up during baking. You can store these pre-baked tart shells in an airtight container para fresh and crispy pa rin. Ready anytime when you want to add your favorite filling. In this video, I am using mango and Yema filling, our best-seller combo. And heto na siya, buttery, creamy, and super sarap. Thank you so much guys for baking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more baking videos. Bye!